Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Multi-Vendor Marketplace Learning Management System for the Magento 2 platform. And in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow at the customer's end, the sellers, and lastly the admin's end. And we'll be showing you how the admin and the sellers of the marketplace would be able to create the courses that can then be purchased by the customers under their own account panel. And apart from that, we'll also be showing you the configuration settings that are required for this particular plugin to work. So actually the customers would be able to purchase the courses from the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace store now, and both the admin and the sellers can list their courses as products, and a lot of information can be added for each of the products that you are creating, like the as you can see here, we have the basic intro Magento 2 module, and here we can see a lot of details for this particular online course that we have. Like here we also have the preview for that for the course as well, and as a customer, the customer would be able to add this particular online course to the cart and can make a checkout thereafter. So let's get ahead and let's see how this particular plugin works, and we'll be seeing the seller end, the admin, and the customer's end. So first of all, let's see the customer's end, and let's see the workflow of the customer. And before that, let me give you a small gist about this plugin itself. So basically this plugin would facilitate the admin and the sellers to create multiple trending online courses for the customers to gain knowledge, and basically it creates a common platform where both the customers and the trainers can communicate at the same time. For the courses, the admin and the sellers would be able to create multiple content sections and add new content such as videos or PDF files under the content and assignment respectively. So let's get in and let's see how it works for the customer. So for that, I'll just log into my account first. So I've entered my email address and my password. Let me tap on the login button. So here I'm at the customer login page for the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace web store, and I'll enter my email address and password and tap here on the login button. So as to log in as a customer. After the customer has logged into his account, he can navigate to the course category, and there he'll be finding all of the courses that the marketplace sellers and the admin have created. So for example, you just need to tap here on the courses in the header here, and thereafter you'll be navigated to the courses section where you'll be able to see all of the available courses that the admin or the sellers have created. Now let me go to a course product that's here. So right now I'm at the basic intro Magento 2 module course, as you can see. So this is a product here, course product created by John, and here you can see the cost of the course is $100. We have the details for the videos. We have how many chapters are there, how many assignments can be assigned within this, when this particular course was published, what's the last update date for the course, for whom is this course, and the skill level is also being displayed here. The total duration of this course is there, the number of enrolled students within this course are visible, the language in which this particular course is being offered, that is also visible. Apart from that, the customer can see the course content. So we have added only one content right now, as you can see, and for that particular content we have set as one lecture, and the duration is for 5 seconds. The customer can also see the introduction video for this particular course as well. Apart from that, the customer can provide his valuable feedback for this particular course content that he can access right now. So let's see, if I tap here on this basic intro of the course, this would basically show us the preview of this particular course, so that we can understand what actually this particular course is going to provide us with. And here are we on the product preview. So here you can see that we have added one video. So if I tap here on the play button, you'll see a bit of movement there. So this is just a demonstration how you can add a introductory section or the video for your particular course that you edit, and on the right hand side the customers can see the course content. For example, we have set it as basic Magento, and then we have basic intro of course and the rest of the details as well. So from here as well, if the customer has purchased this particular course, he can actually go to the Q&A section, and from here the customer can ask any of the questions to the respective seller of this particular course by entering the title, the details, and tapping on the publish button, and then the respective seller, be it the marketplace seller or the marketplace admin, if this product is from any one of them, they'll be replying back to this particular customer for the question that he has asked for regarding this particular course that they have added. Now let me add this particular product into the cart, and let's make a checkout thereafter. So I'm back on the product page for the course module that we have created, and I'll be tapping here in the add to cart button. It's added to my cart. Now I'll just move towards placing the order for this particular online course, and on the checkout page under the order summary you can see the details of the online course that we're going to purchase, and we'll just tap here on the place order button to place the order for the particular online course. After I purchase this course, I can navigate to my account for the customer. Here, so is the customer dashboard on the left hand side. So I just need to navigate to my courses, and here I'll find all of the courses that I've purchased from the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace here, and under the my course I'll find all of the courses listed there itself, and from here I can now start the course and can start working on the course as well. So let me tap here on the my course that I've just purchased, and in the meantime we'll also see the order details for the order. So for that you can see that we've already placed this particular order. Now let me open the order details page, and now as you can see, and now I can start my course, and I can start learning from the same using the course that I've just downloaded from the web store itself. And to ask any questions, I can go and ask any of the questions for this respective courses creator. So now let's go to the order details page, and so here's our order number 15, and the product name is basic intro Magento 2 module. The price is $100, and here you can see the payment method as well. So after you've purchased, you'll find your courses under my course, as I've already told you. And now let's get ahead and let's see how the marketplace sellers would be able to create the online courses for the customers. And for that, what the seller needs to do within his marketplace dashboard, as you can see on the left hand side, from here he can basically create the courses, and to do so he just needs to tap here on the new products, and here I'll be choosing the attribute type and the product type. So under the product type we need to choose the course product type for creating a course, and tap continue thereafter. And now we'll be on this particular page to add the product. So here we'll choose our category where we want to display that particular product. We need to enter the basic description for the product. That's the product name, the description, short description. You can set up the SKU, the price, stock availability, visibility. Apart from that, you'll also have to add a few more details like the course level that is visible at the front end on the course product page. So you can set it as beginner, intermediate, or expert. You can also choose the course language from the provided months, and you can add the images for the respective product, and thereafter you just need to tap on the save button. So initially, after you have entered the basic details and you have chosen the images, the course level, and the language as well, you need to save this particular product. After saving, you need to edit it up, and after editing we need to navigate to the course content section. So for that I've already created one product, so let me take you to my product list section first, and there I'll show you how we can create the course product under the seller account panel. In the meantime, I just forgot one thing to tell you. So as you can see that the customers can preview the details of the course, and from here as well, on the top right hand side you can see that we have some social network icons there. So the customers can share this particular course with their friends or relatives through the networks as well, and through this mail icon they can tap that up and they can share the link of this particular course with anyone there. And here you can see that we have the customer query Q&A and a reply as well back from the admin or the seller for whose product the customer has purchased. So now let's go back, and here let me edit any of the product. So let's edit the basic intro Magento module that we showed you on the web store front end. So after you've edited the product name, the description, and the rest of the details like the price, the stock, then we have the what we say as the images, then you have set the course level and the course language. You need to save the product, and after saving the product you need to edit the product, and then you'll have the course content and the question answer section here as you can see. So from here you can add the what we say as the course content. To do so you just need to tap here on the add course button. So let me tap that, and that brings up the course content section, and here you can add the course sections as well as you can add new content. For adding a course or for adding a content section, the seller can tap here on the course sections, and from here he can add a new section as well. So if I tap here on the add new section, I can enter the course section form, title and the order, and then I need to tap on the submit button, and that would list the other section title that we have created here within the course sections. And to add a new content, we just need to tap here on the add new content. We need to set up the content title. We need to choose our title that we have already created, then the type, whether you want to be a content one or an assignment one. So if this is a content one, then you'll be able to add the preview as well. You can set up the description for that, and you can also add MP4 and OGG files as well. So you can upload the videos as well. And if you choose the content type as assignment, then you'll be able to add the description, and along with you can select the .zip files, PDF files and the text files as well. So that's how you can add the course content form for your course, for your online product that you are creating for a course. And thereafter we'll just get back, and lastly, alright, so that was how we can add the course content and the course sections as well for a course product, and how we can create a course product. And after creating a course product, that would be listed under the my product list for the seller. And the similar thing goes for the marketplace admin as well. So and the sellers can see their online courses that they have created, along with the details as well, like the type is the course type and the rest of the products as well. So that was the seller's end, and now let's go to the backend panel. Let's see how the admin can initially configure this particular marketplace LMS system, and how he can also add the products that are the course type of product, and how he can create a course online from the backend panel. So for that, I'll just take you to the admin backend panel now. So here I'm at the backend of the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace for the Magento 2 platform, and I'll be logging into my admin backend panel by entering my username, password, and tapping on the sign in button. And after login, we'll just navigate through stores and then configuration for the initial module configuration settings. And on the configuration page on the left hand side under the web code block, we need to navigate to marketplace learning management system. We just tap that up, and that will bring up this initial configuration settings for the marketplace learning management system itself. And here we have the display settings and the social share for the course. So if you enable the Twitter, Facebook and email options, if you set them as yes, then on the course product, when you're checking the preview, you'll be able to find the Twitter, Facebook and the email options to share that particular course. Now let's come to the display settings and let's go through each of them one by one. So here basically you can choose a yes or a no for each of these settings here. So the very first one is to show number of enrolled students on the course product itself. If you want to show the number of enrolled students, make a yes, otherwise select a no for that. If you want to show the course selection, you can choose a yes or a no. You can set up the short description about the course. If you want to show that up, the short description, you can choose a yes. You can show total course duration on the course product page itself. You can also show the progress bar after user has purchased the course, and you can also show the share option before purchasing the course as well. So these options are there to display on the product page itself, and you can make a choice for them as required, and thereafter you just need to tap here on the save configuration button. Now let me show you how the store admin can add the course product. So for that he just navigates through catalog and then products, and here as well the admin would have to select the product type as course that we have set up. So from here the admin can create a new course product by tapping here on the drop down for the ed product and choosing the course product. And if he has already created a course product, he can edit that course product as well. So to add a new course product, you just need to tap here on the course product under the add product option, and that will bring up the section where the admin would be able to create a new course product. And on the new product create page here, the admin just needs to set up the basic details initially, that are the product name for the course, the SKU price. He can set the quantity, the visibility, categories where he want to set that course product. Then he can come to this course details section. Here he can choose the skill level of this course, whether as a beginner, intermediate or expert. He can choose the language of this particular course, and thereafter he just needs to tap here on the save button. After tapping on the save button, another section would come up here. So give me a second, I'll just show you that within the already created course product by the admin. So for that I'll just navigate you to that section. Alright, I'll just create it right now. So for this I've just added the name of the product, the quantity and the rest of the details. I've chosen it as intermediate, the language as English Australian right now, and thereafter I can add the images as well, and then I just need to tap here on this save button, and the test one product has been saved. And now when we navigate, scroll down to the end, here you can see that we have now the course content. After saving, you will get this course content option, and from here we can add the course content. Firstly, you need to create the content sections for the course, and then you can add the new content to each of the created content sections. So to create a new content section, you just need to tap here on the content section, and from here you'll be able to add a new section by tapping here the add new section button. You need to enter the title for that, for example TETL1, and we'll set the sort order as 1, and we need to tap here on the save button, and this would get reflected here under the course sections. So likewise you can add multiple course sections. Now let me go back, and now what we can do is we can add new content. To add content, just tap there on that button and set up the content title, select the section for which you want to add this particular content. So we'll add this content for the TETL1. We'll choose the type, assignment, or the content. Content allows us to upload the MP4 or the video files as well. Otherwise you can choose assignment, wherein you will be able to only upload the PDF text and zip files. So I'll just choose content. We can set the description there, and just tap here on the save button to save this new particular course. So that was much about the learning management marketplace for the Magento 2 platform, and I hope it helped you out. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular plugin, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.us.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.